everybody, this is Rosie Soroka. I hope everybody's enjoying their Saturday afternoon. Today I'll be making some salmon burgers. They're so easy to make and they taste really, really good. What you're going to need is a 6-ounce can of wild Alaskan salmon, 1 large egg, some type of greens, spinach, lettuce, doesn't matter. That's what you're going to put the burger on. And some sea salt or black pepper to taste. Chances are you're really not going to need any extra salt, but the black pepper is really going to give it a nice little boost. So let's look at the ingredients. So here we go. We got 1 egg. Luckily for me, I had 1 more in there. I got my pink salmon, my black pepper, and my Himalayan sea salt. So what you're going to do is you're going to get your salmon, put it in the plate. Now this salmon is a little bit more. It's about 7.5 ounces, and that's okay. I like to just kind of get rid of some of the skin if I can find it. But overall, this is a pretty good piece, so here we are, some black pepper, and now I'm just going to mix it all together. Meanwhile, I am warming up my cast iron pan here with a little bit of coconut oil and getting it nice and warm, preparing it for the burgers. What we're going to do now is get like a little handful, shape it into a ball, and put it in your pan. Smush it down a little bit so it gets like a circular shape. And that's it. There's one down. Flip it over when it gets a little bit golden brown. And we're going to continue doing this until we go through all of this. Here's my finished product. My patties smell great. My salad looks great. Typically, I like salad with no dressing, which is really weird, I know, but I will try it with dressing from time to time. So let's check this out. So let's see how this came out. Salmon burgers are so good. I hope you guys make this at home. The recipe is super, super easy. Mwah. Have a great day, guys.